The Tomsemp project, situated on the corner of Leicester Street and Pelham Street, comprised of two architectural parts. The Toma office situates directly on the corner in 45 degrees turn from the street edges, with its main facade facing the apex. Doing this allows for better attention grabbing of the general public, as it can stimulate people to see the iconic character of the building from either direction or far before moving closer. The 45 degrees turn also creates a triangular gap between the joints of the two buildings. This is developed into a general entrance for the project, which invites people to access and explore. This project can be freely explored according to people's own terms. However, the building has architectural qualities that can guide and push people along the journey within the project. The SIP Center has walls like such that spatially form a pathway and leads people to other spaces. The timber tunnel here too has the same function, whilst this garden entrance can lead one to the encaged garden, and in return the entrance also leads to the depths of the lecture hall's depressive character. The center is dominated by an oppressive nature, ceiling is decorated with dynamic forms, and space is filled with heavy color-changing atmosphere. Whilst the exhibition's extruding walls aim to overwhelm one another, such conditions produce discomfort and push people to find their way through to the terminal office, where the elevator, ground to third floor, and staircase third to fourth floor situate in the center of the building with a direct manner, prompting further explorations upward inside this comfortable space, from bold simplicity to curved gentleness and to unexpected arrangements that urge the discoveries of areas unknown. Despite the inclusion of some asymmetrical elements to suggest the idea of near perfection, the building itself maintains the fundamental symmetry and formal qualities. Thomasina is in near perfection, with a genius mind, sharing great connections with others and is successful in life. In the Thoma office, this is depicted with the exterior's near symmetrical form, whilst interior qualities such as the walls and layouts are clean and arranged in a precise manner. On the contrary, Septimus holds a bad reputation. He ugly interrupts and ruins the relationships between others, whilst his studies are also not so widely appreciated. This generates a sense of jealousy inside Septimus towards Thomasina, portrayed by the slight distortion and compression, as well as the sense of stretched dominance of exterior and interior forms, while the asymmetrical nature allows the arrangements of the building to be less restricted and thus suffers suppression. The connection point between the two buildings is a conflict between asymmetry and near symmetry. That conflict brings out contradiction, demonstrated by the exploding unbalance, glitching, and fragmentation.